Hello everyone, our topic is integrating Jenkins with GitHub Webhooks. For that, first we need to create an item in Jenkins. In that, enter the name of item like job 1, then click OK. Then set source code management as a Git. Then we need to go to GitHub. There, copy the repository. Then paste that repository on the Jenkins. Then in trigger, select GitHub hook trigger for git scam polling. Then again go to GitHub. Then in setting, select webhooks. Then click on right side, add webhooks. Then again paste that GitHub repository URL on payload URL. Here at the end we need to put Jenkins URL along with its port, followed by mentoring bar GitHub webhooks. Like this we need to give in payload URL. Then select content type as application bar JSON. Then click on add webhooks. Then now the webhooks will be created. Then after creating webhooks, click on save. After that, go to GitHub repository in which our Jenkins job is configured. Then we need to update some file for the demonstration purpose. So here we are selecting some file. Then in here we need to write some dummy text. After writing dummy text, then click on commit changes. Then it will change. After doing this, the GitHub should send the notification to the Jenkins, and there is a new job in the queue which is auto triggered by the webhook. So this is how we integrate the Jenkins job script GitHub using webhooks. Thank you.